How to buy Solana on Bybit with USDT and also any other coins such as Bitcoin, Ether, Ripple, all coins that you have on Bybit. You go to your assets. For a start, you make sure that you have your USDT on your account. And pay attention where is your USDT, because your USDT must be on unified trading account. If you have it on the funding, what you do, you simply use your coins, you can transfer it, and you transfer it from funding to unified trading account. You press and confirm. And good, you have your money on your unified trading account. After that, what you do, you go into a trade section and choose spot if you would like to buy real coins such as Solana or any other coin. It works perfectly for any other coin, Solana. After that, what you do, you can see on this right corner, you can see available balance. It shows to us how much money do we have. And based on that, we can choose how much Solana we would like to buy. Imagine situation, you would like to buy like 50% of your portfolio or 25% of your portfolio. You can see here that you can write a value with USDT, and it automatically, have a look, let's write 20, and it automatically calculate how much coin it would be. Or you can write in Solana, for example, you would like to buy 100 Solana. It shows to you order value. Or you would like to buy 1 Solana or 0.2 Solana. Doesn't matter, you use what's better for you. After that, you have options at what price to buy, because you can see here this limit order. What limit order means? That you would buy only at a certain price. For example, you set a limit order to buy Solana at 130.5, which means you will buy, you can see this order price. We would buy Solana if the price would drop to this price. If price would start rising without touching this price, it means our order would never be filled. And that's why when you use limit orders, you need to understand it. Let's cancel it. When you buy with a market order, it means you use current price that you have right now on the screen. Before we buy, my friends, get winning crypto signals for free. On daily basis, we share clear signals with stop loss take profits for our community. While price rising, dropping, doesn't matter. Look on these amazing results. You also can get access to such accurate and insanely profitable signals. Simply become our partner on Bybit exchange. You can become even if you have already an account. You simply write petition to Bybit to become our partner. For you, it would cost no additional fees. Read right now all information in description, fill the form, and my team will help you to do it really fast. Let's buy Solana with our 50 USD. And after that, what we do when we go to assets and we go to unified trading account, you can see that here we bought amounts of Solana that we mentioned. You can see 0.41, 53, 58. What about any other coin? You can do the same. You go trade, go spot, and for example, you would like to buy Ripple or Dogecoin. What's the difference? Here, there would be this button. You open menu with coins. For example, let's buy Toncoin. For example, you would like to buy Toncoin. You go choose Toncoin, you can see it. And the same here. You can buy, for example, with a market order. After that, you choose amount of how much money you would like to put, order value. You also can choose order value by ton, amount of ton that you would like, for example, place. For example, we would like to buy 10 ton. And after that, it automatically gives to us order. And after that, again, we go to unified trading account, and you can see here ton 998. It means they took fees from us, and we have at this moment amount that we put. Right now, I ask you to push like, follow me, and watch this video lesson about how to sell your coins, because if you bought, there would be a day when you would like to sell them.